Hey guys, in these lessons we will create an application with a scrollable list of affirmations using Recycle View. For this, create new project in Android Studio, empty activity, next, then create a name of our application, for example, Affirmations, and then finish. The first step is to create phrases for our list. For this in project, open resources, then values, and then open strings.xml. We have one string name, it's our app name. We can rename it, for example, be happy, and we can create a phrase for our list. For this, I copy this string, Ctrl D or Command D, then I rename our phrase. It will be phrase 1, and the definition will be I have the best sense of humor, for example. Then we can copy this phrase, and we will have 10 phrases in our list view. For this, copy phrase 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then rename our phrases, phrase 2, phrase 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The second affirmation, it will be I make people laugh. Third is I can laugh about my problems. 4. I can find humor in any situation. 5 is I can always think of something funny to say. 6. I will always find a way to have fun. 7. No one can make me feel my jokes are bad. 8. I can laugh at myself. 9 is I will tell the negative voice inside my head to shut up. And the last, I deserve sugar, spice and all things nice. I think it will be good affirmations for our app, and in the next lesson we will create architecture of our application. For this we'll create 3 packages: view package, model package and data package. See you soon.